enjoying a light breeze off Lake Trasimeno on a steamy August day. The only noise here are the cicadas. The only persons or the only creatures enjoying the heat. We're having lunch right across the street from Lake Trasimeno, outside the medieval village of Castiglione del Lago, and we're enjoying our lunch at La Capanina. A nice euphemism. The little shed, not a shed at all, a family-run restaurant specializing in lake fish and not only. And you can hear the guests enjoying their food already. We've ordered, we're awaiting our order here at La Capanina, the little shed. This table has ordered, but they too are awaiting their order. These two women have finished their lunch. Pino's having a read while he waits our order. These people are enjoying their lakeside lunch. Taste this delicious antipasto, which we've already tasted some of it. And nearby is our lovely waitress Adelaide, who's explained things here. We have the soupli. Here, what is this, Adelaide? Potato croquette. Cheeses, local. I think one was sheep's milk. Pecorino, I ate it already. Couscous. And here we have a quiche with ricotta and radicchio in it. Potato with onions. Bruschetta with tomatoes. Bruschetta with black truffle. This is a bruschetta with eggplant. Ever seen such a wonderful antipasto? This is the antipasto vegetariana at La Capanone. Pino is enjoying his pasta. Spaghetti al ragu di lago. So he has a sauce of lake fish, garlic, olive oil, tomato, hot red pepper. There'll always be some perch, and there'll always be some eel, anguilla, and sometimes there'll be tinka, another lake fish. And my delicious fish I'll be tasting tonight. I'm just too full after this abundant antipasto for my pasta with lake fish, perch, olive oil, lemon juice, and pine nuts. Maybe I'll be able to eat it tonight. Pino, buon appetito. Buono? È buono o no? Sì. Mi sembra di sì. Silence means goodness. I don't know if you can hear me. There's a lot of talk from all the different guests here. But Pino is finishing up with anguilla di Trasimeno, the eel of the lake, with the little beans, which are the fagiolina di Trasimeno. They're a slow food recognized specialty of the area. A bean that's almost extinct. Pino, com'è l'anguilla?
È ottima, è abbondante.
Excellent and abundant. Thank you, Pino. Buon appetito.